someone willing to come forward to acknowledge these achievers itself is a great thing. And I've known her for a while also, and I've realized that whenever there is anything to do with society, she's the first one who jumps forward. You know, and I'm someone who believes from what you get you make a living, but from what you give you make a life. And she makes that difference. She brings about that change, whether it's the armed forces, whether it's children, whether it's women achievers. No, it's amazing. We run our own NGO called Save Children India, and I know in the end of the day, if there's anything that gives me satisfaction in my life, it's the contribution that we do towards that. You know, constant effort to work, because there's so much that needs to be done. And hats off to Vinny and Puneet and you know, Abba for constantly doing things for society and looking for the change. There are simple things you give without remembering and accept without forget. You know, these are the small things that make such a big difference in life. And kudos, so hats off to her for such a fantastic initiative. And now Stardust for having brought us a special issue regarding that event. So I think it's the media also that helps in a big way to spread the message, saying make that difference.
Lovely. Sana, what would you like?
I think they come up with such thing where they're helping people selflessly, and जो बहुत सारे लोग थे जिनको लगता है उन्होंने लाइफ में बहुत कुछ किया, they've achieved a lot. When you go to events like this, you understand that you've done nothing in life, and you know there are so many more people with nothing, with no, what do you say, with no positives in their lives. There's so many things that they're not having, they don't have an access to, and they're still doing so great and giving so many people great stories and inspiration to look forward to. So I think it's amazing, and I really thank Puneet and Puneet for having me and making me a part of something which is so beautiful. And definitely you learn back so many good things when you go back home, and you feel, okay, if life and God gives me that opportunity, I would definitely want to be someone like her and do something for the society, not just movies but even otherwise. Yeah.
Sana, this was also the first time you hosted an award.
Yes.
And it was Naz Award. So how was the whole experience?
I was very, very nervous, to be honest, but this event was all about women empowerment and letting women know that they can do more. So I think it started with me, where Vinny and Puneet empowered that host thing in me, and they said that you can do it. So I was like, chalo theek hai, let me try this also. So I think ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें होती है, वहीं से those that thing of empowerment starts. That thing comes in you. Okay, I can do this. Things that you fear that you can't do, that you give it a try. So I think they really. I was like till last moment, I don't know if I can do it. I get scared when I see so many people sitting in front of me, and if I have to talk, I start fumbling, and I make loads of mistakes. So, but they were like, no, give it a try. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. And I really enjoyed the experience. And even before I started hosting, when I got to know the stories of people who are getting awards, who are for what all they've done. It was very emotional zone for me, where I've seen people coming on a wheelchair, and especially he was mentioning Sita ma'am, who came from, I think, where, from Kolhapur?
Some Odisha, some...
Sonia ji, was there any moment during the award show that is unforgettable for you?
I think the event itself, the whole thought of the event is something that you cannot forget. And you're looking at year 2 as to who are the other achievers or people who've given back to society. And I think that's very, very important for all of us. See, we all believe that it's money, that is the most important thing. It's not. If it's a cancer hospital, you go and spend a few hours with that kid and change his thought process for that moment. Given that encouragement, I think things change. So like I time and again say, see, I've been working on an NGO for the last 27, 28 years. Since the time I became an actor, I knew I had to give back to society. And it's only when you become something in life is that people also look up to you and believe that they need to adapt or follow or believe in you and do things. So I think as actors we spread that awareness, of knowing. There are two ways of doing it. Either you do it when your film releases, or you do it through your life. So I believe in actors who do it through their life and not just because a film is releasing and they need that extra mileage to do that. So each one of us is responsible unknowingly for some change in someone's life, and that's why it's amazing. Time and again I keep thinking of this woman who does so much. I mean, you've got to see the school, the madrasa, to believe what is the standard. I doubt there's any university in India that is even close to it. I'm talking about hygiene, I'm talking about look, feel, atmosphere. I wouldn't say 7-star or 8-star, I'd say home to the best families in the country. Probably the best kids, the kind of education or treatment that they'd get. I'd say, as a father, my own children, the kind of treatment and the kind of education they got is probably what these children are getting. So there's no star rating, but unreal.
You're really active on Snapchat. Do
Yeah.
you reply or to your fans?
I tried keeping that chat open, and then I got so many texts that I thought that that would make me not reply to my friends who are texting me. So then again I had to log that. But then I reply to people on my Instagram because it's much more easier. Snap gets too much. When people write comments below my picture, or if they have a lot of questions in terms of beauty and hair. That's what I was talking about to her before. Sorry. So that's more easy to reply and communicate to, because you do read your messages when you're flying, when you're driving. So it's easier to communicate, I feel.